out Johnny Turbo on YouTube. Another fabulous day at the Spectator drags, and I'm just checking out these cars right here. We're lining up, getting ready to go out into the track, and I don't know many other Spectator drag races that have this level of cars. I mean, every car here is a killer. These guys put some serious time and money into these cars, and I'm just excited to be a part of it. Everybody here is here to have fun, a good time, and because they like to do this. It's just in their blood. And that car right there, that pickup truck, hand built from top to bottom, hand built. He's out here shredding it, absolutely destroying it. Rat Rob, you're the man. All right, and again, I mean, every car here is just set up. So just to be in the field, be part of it is just an amazing time. Again, I can't stress enough, if you're near a track and you have a car and they do Spectator drags, you need to get yourself there, support that track, get out there and be part of it and have a good time. I mean, this truck right here is nasty. That Trans Am right there is nasty. Another Camaro, just nasty cars. Every single one of these are hooked up, and they're all good drivers.
I'm happy to go against the Subaru. Oh man.
I've got two souls, cause I'm way gone, trying to find my way back home. Count my bones as in desert crossbones. I'm gonna turn all of my stones.
Rock bottom make the man, and some pressure make a gemstone. Trying to put $1 to my name, like Creflo. Not the boy, late to the game, it's in the blood flow. And I'm from the south, it's thick skin and tough bone. Big attitude through big lips with gusto. Trust no kings, that's why they tried to crush souls. But it's IGBO, when the dust blow, this old head be standing there. No silver, just gold. Crack no books on the hustle, I was born to grind. Yo, I'm scared of your potential, I'm adorned with mine. 30 times around the sun, man, of course I shine. My legacy will not dwarf with time. And in my daughter's eyes, it's basic, I must not say quit. Every day sees a present like a Rob St. Nick. Walk a fine line between tenacious and patient. I can't slip, I'm fighting clocks and they can't win.
I've got bruised souls, cause I'm way gone, trying to find my way back home. Count my bones as in desert crumbs flow. I'm gonna turn all of my stones. I've got bruised souls, cause I'm
Drive safe out there.
Yeah, you too. Good luck, guys.
Good luck, guys.
All right, here we go with race number 1 against High Flash WRX, a good friend of mine now. What a girl, what a driver, what a car. Similar turbos, she's got coils, some better suspension, front mount, 1050 IDP injectors. It's making some power, probably a little bit more than me. But here we go, light turns green, boom, first gear, second gear, I'm gone. Don't know why I didn't hit third gear yet. That was probably a problem. I did that all night. I come grab a third here, and I'm just fighting to stay out in front, trying to keep it low and tight because I know she is on me. I can see her in the rear view. And I come out and I happen to get the win. Now I'm pretty stoked because that is a stout competitor. I just beat. I don't know if it'll happen the next time, but what a race! What a race! I was pretty stoked. Thanks, Hot Flash. You're the best. Okay, here's the outside of the car. Boom, first gear, second gear, right about here. Third, I stay in second, losing speed. It's not until here I grab third, so I'm kind of building up a little steam. You can see Hot Flash creep up on me right there, down that back straight. And I got a pretty good run, and I'm able to take that win.
Holy moly, that wasn't unexpected.
Okay, here's race 2 against a Camaro with race slicks. Light turns green. Boom. We are gone. First gear, second gear. Again, I'm right with this guy, but I keep it in third and keep it in second. I'm just losing steam. I don't know why I didn't shift early into third. Right there, I missed third gear, and that's it for me, folks. Count me out. I did get back in the gas just for some fun, but that was it. Still, great day, great fun. I absolutely love being out on the track and being around this group. Spectator Drags is just friggin' awesome. You can see I'm excited. Even in the loss, I'm excited.
Hardest raps, you know, breaking status quo, reaping what I sow. Artistry like Van Gogh, get it from my mama, hip so thick that I need tempo. Personality, spicy body, banging like a bongo. Cause black women been it since Timbuktu, since Pharaoh. Sponge rollers.
Okay, here's the outside of the car view. Boom, second gear. I am right there, but I keep it in second and I just lose steam. I don't know why I'm not in third. I'm coming up, boom, right there. So you can see my nose go down. I missed third gear, and forget it. This Camaro is checking out. Now he was already ahead and he was moving, but I would have liked to have kept a little closer.
All right, quick recap. That was sick. It never fails to have some fun when you come to Spectator Drags. Another sick day. Now, not as many people today because of the storm, I think. So there was maybe, I don't know, maybe 30 cars, something like that, 29 maybe, but so, and all of them were killers today. They were all pretty much all race cars. Even that S4 in the end, I mean, the guy had 450 horse all tuned out. I got to race Jen in the I think it's maybe a 13 or a 15 or a newer style WRX wagon. She's putting down, I don't know, probably 400 horse, I think, maybe a little bit more. She got a fire suppression. She got a whole setup in that thing. She just won a Spectator Drag up in Vermont. And you know, and on the way to that win, she got sideswiped and still took home the win. So congrats to my girl Jen. You're killing it. So for me to take home that win is just, I mean, it's lucky, I don't know, but I'm thankful. I'll take any win I can get, especially against another Subaru, another killer. I could see you in my rear view right there. I mean, and I don't know, maybe I had the inside line here. If you don't have a ton of power, that's where you need to be. So as soon as you get the outside, it's hard to come around. It's hard to come around somebody. You know, we'll look back at the video, but I got to stay on the inside. I hugged the inside of the track. Turn 3 and 4, I remember last time I got nudged out, so I kept that tight. I could see it right there. She tried to do a swoop on me on the inside, and my tires are screaming, and I was able just to get it into gear, keep it into third, just floor it right to the finish line, and I pulled out that win. So that to me was worth it all for today. That win right there was worth it for me today. So thanks, Jen. That win was definitely, that was clutch. So now I'm in the second round. I'm against I don't know, some type of Camaro, all raced out with the wheels and the race ties and the whole deal, roll cage. That one lined up. I'm on the outside this time. I felt like I was pulling on him in the top of one and taking two, first and second gear. I felt like he got the little bit of jump, but then I kind of leaped back at him. But he stayed down low. I'm high and dry on the outside, trying to fight I'm on the outside fighting for traction. I come out of turn 2, I go to hit 3, boom, I missed third gear. Sayonara. That's all she wrote right there. So put it back in the gear, had fun around 3 and 4, and just sent it back. That was it. Missed a gear, that's it. I was already behind. I don't even know if I was gonna come back anyways, but damn, that was a good day. Another sick day. So thank you, Seekonk, Spectator Drags. If you haven't done it, get out, get your car, whatever you drive, get to a Spectator Drag, support the local tracks, and just have a friggin' blast. It's awesome. So there's my man. He went 3 rounds back on that Rat Rod pickup truck. He's a killer. And that's it for today. I'm gonna load this beast up and then I'm out. Sick day.
Rock bottom make the man and some pressure make a gemstone. Trying to put $1 to my name like Creflo. Not the boy, late to the game. It's in the blood flow. And I'm from the south. It's thick skin and tough bone. Big attitude through big lips with gusto.